Luluto tayo ng hipon o sugpo. Sometimes, the simplest recipes work best kasi gusto rin natin mag-shine yung lasa ng ating expensive seafood. Kaya ngayon, gagawa tayo ng isang dish gamit ang prawns.
Simpol, luto na, ha.
So, magsosote lang tayo ng aromatics natin. Hot oil, we saute our onions, and our ginger. Medyo maraming ginger yung gamit natin because we want to highlight the ginger because it accentuates the flavor of the prawns. Saute lang natin siya. Here. And you see, medyo malaki yung sugpo natin ngayon. So, pwede din kayo gumamit ng hipon if you don't have prawns. And what do we do now? We have our oyster sauce. Very simple oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. See? It's very simple. The sweetness really works well with the fresh prawns. And chilies, siling pangsigang. And now, we add our prawns. It cooks very quickly. Spread out natin ng konti. We don't want to overcook our prawns, but we also want it to be able to cook enough so that the sauce is infused with the flavor of the prawns, no? Kasi yung ulo ng prawns, yun ang pinakamasarap. We can add a little bit of water if you want to dilute the sauce. And we toss. In 3 minutes, it's gonna be cooked very easily. Ang key mo is not to overhandle the prawns para hindi matanggal yung mga ulo, no? Eto, kung may budget kayo, gagamit kayo ng sugpo. Kung wala kayong budget masyado, pwede ng hipon. Pero do you know this recipe also works well pag squid ball yung gamitin nyo? So just replace the prawns or the shrimp with squid balls and you have a very nice dish. Yan. So very versatile yung sauce natin. Yan. And we just add a little bit of black pepper to finish. Malalaman mo naman na luto na yung prawns natin kasi nagiging orange na yung kulay niya. Okay? One last toss and we add leeks to finish. Here's our dish. Very easy and we're ready to plate. Look at that. Sarap to sa kanin. Sobrang sarap nito, lalo na marami yung nilagay mo na luya. The ginger will really bring out the very beautiful flavor of the sauce and the prawns. Prawns in oyster and ginger sauce, Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.